Welcome to Accompaniments. We are outside in the backyard today because I'm taking you with me to fry a turkey. It is going to be delicious as always. Stay tuned. So let's get a turkey brine. Now here I have two turkeys because I'm going to go ahead and fry two at the same time. But my turkey brine recipe, I will link it and add an info card here for you. So it's been brined overnight. I'm just going to take this and give this a good rinse. I want any of the extra salt from my brine and also sugar because I did put sugar in here. I want to rinse this off because I'm frying. You know, sugar and frying could cause it to brown a little bit too much. So I am just giving this a good rinse. Get rid of all of the allspice berries as well as the mustard seeds. Now here, I'm going to go ahead and put it on here and wait for it to kind of drain more of the liquid out. And this is just the little thing that you use to put it in the fryer. But I also went ahead and seasoned this on the skin just a little bit with some Cajun seasoning. So we're getting ready. The turkey has come up to temp. The oil has come up to temp. We're getting ready to put the turkey in. But first, I am going to go ahead and turn off my fire just for safety reasons. So I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to go ahead and slowly lower in the turkey. I'm going to go very slow here. It's in now, so we're gonna let it go. The rule of thumb is 3 to 5 minutes per pound. This turkey is about 12.5 pounds. Also, I made sure it's thoroughly dried, and I checked my fill line for my oil on yesterday before I got this going. So it already smells good. All right, the temperature has gone down a little bit. It's gone down to 300, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. And also I'm going to keep an eye on my fire. All right, so remember we killed the fire before getting this in. Go ahead and make sure you don't forget to get your fire started back again so that you can bring it back up to temp. Now it's gone down to about 300. We want to cook this between 300 and 350. So temperature has been holding steady between 315 and 350. This has been going for about 45 minutes. Now, how it's frying, my thermometer, I can't really check the internal temperature right now. So I'm just gonna pull it. If it's not completely done after letting it rest for 20 minutes, I'm just gonna put it in the oven. No big deal, nobody gonna know. But yeah, when you're ready, go ahead and just remove it. And it is looking and smelling delicious. I'm just gonna let it drip, let as much of that oil out as I can. And I don't think this bird is gonna make it because I think this might be lunch. So like I said, I pulled this at exactly 45 minutes and I did check the temperature in the house after resting for about 20 minutes. And it was done. Y'all, this turkey will change your life. But hey, if this is your first time here, subscribe. Come back. We got more recipes coming for the holiday.